All right, so doing a quick site visit at our heritage project that we're renovating in Toronto. So this is a 3-unit apartment renovation. So we're currently wrapping up all the finishes. So this is the first unit. It features 1 bedroom. This is a living area here, as you can see. The bedroom is in here. It has 1 bedroom, it has 1 bathroom, and then it has 1 kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick tour. So this is the kitchen area here. As you can see, we've just recently installed the cabinets and the countertop. We're just finishing up all the fixtures. And then on the left side of the kitchen is like, we have an area there for the microwave. We have the fridge in that section, and we have the bathroom here. This is a 1 unit, so it's the smallest unit amongst all the units here. So we have a stand shower there, just very standard with a tile and a sliding glass door. We have the vanity on this part of the wall, and we have the toilet tucked in behind the door. We have vinyl floors, basic standard cabinets, as you can see. We have a heat pump unit there for the heating and cooling. So the middle unit, which is the unit number 2 here, it has a 2nd level, so that stairs goes to the 2nd level. There's 3 bedroom on the 2nd level, and then we also have a bathroom on the 2nd level as well. So this is the living area here on the main level. There's a laundry room there. We're gonna have the fridge right in that section there, and then we have the kitchen with a very standard cabinet, and that's a fire-rated door, fire-rated wall that separate the unit number 1 from the unit number 2. So I'm gonna show you guys the top floor. So here we have bedroom number 1 on the 2nd floor of unit number 2. This used to be wood panel. We spray painted it white. And then this is the stairs that go downstairs. So this is the bedroom number 2. And there's a hallway here that connects to bedroom number 3. So same thing here, we also spray painted those wood panels white. And I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. So this is the bathroom for the 2nd unit, the middle unit. So there's actually 2 bathrooms. There's a hallway here that goes, both bathrooms along this hallway. So this is the first one. You can see here, there's a door that connects to the first one. Very standard shower, vanity toilet, etc. And then I'll show you guys the 2nd one. Same hallway that connects both bathroom. And this is the 2nd bathroom here. We do have a vaulted roof here, so we're able to tuck things to align with the spacing that we have here. And then this is the stand shower for the 2nd unit. I'm gonna show you guys the 3rd and final unit, which features 1 bedroom living space and also has a kitchen and its own bathroom. So this is a living space. It's a fully renovated spot as well. New flooring. We actually stained the floor here. It was an old hardwood floor. We stained it to match the other areas. Closed up the fireplace. We maintained the arch here. Looks pretty cool. Kitchen revamped. Something simple, clean. So that's the rest of the living area. And then this is the bedroom here. I'll show you guys the bathroom. So we have a laundry stack in the bathroom. Just trying to maximize the space here. Built-in open shelving unit there. It's a stand shower. And then we have the vanity on that wall with the mirror. A lot of natural lighting here as well. So this is the 3rd and final unit. So we're just wrapping up the final touches here.